What is going on, my YouTubers and my YouTube betters, man? Amen. Say amen. All right now, all right. Hey, I know it's been a little minute, man, since I've been on, man. If y'all remember, though, for those, for my subscribers, if y'all remember, I had said that, my pops them had caught COVID. Well, on yesterday, man, we buried my pops, man. My stepmom did a very great job. Had him coming in on the horse and carriage, to his burial. So I had, took a little time for that. But today, man, so, first and foremost, man, I like to say RIP to my pops, man. I was living with him, man, before all this happened. You know what I'm saying? All right, how you doing now? All right, but like I say, man, today I'm gonna do a little something different. Today it's not gonna be on the car review. That'll probably be tomorrow, which today is Monday. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna try to get this up tonight after I'm done. But tonight I got bowling. You know what I'm saying? And I'm gonna show y'all myself bowling and my teammates. You know what I'm saying? So like I said, it's a little something different. But hey man, I already know what y'all want, man, you know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna go ahead and give it to y'all. Ain't nothing like a cold start. Hey, look here, this y'all first time coming on to my channel, man. Y'all very first time, you know what I'm saying? This right here, man, is my Chevy Impala. Yes, 22 Marcelli's on there. I got the rims from, I asked the people if they have any spinning caps. I had, my cousin told me, my little cousin, he was like, yo, man, you know what I'm saying, look at those, man, you think they Forgiatos, you know what I'm saying, and the cap, I mean, the way the cap is already designed, you know what I'm saying, pardon the dirt on the tire, got she was spinning, one wheel bandit, spinning, I need positive traction, you know what I'm saying, so I can be able to get out, but yeah, that's why that mud right there, because of that right there, yeah, sir. But go back to the main focus. This right here, man, ain't got no spin, man. So that'd be hot. You know what I'm saying? If they had the floating cap for this, I'd rather have it made just like that. You know what I'm saying? So that way I can spin that thing. You feel me? On all four of them. Yeah, sir. Cause what I was getting at, you see how there's already bubbled out type, and as y'all see me here displaying, you know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? So I asked them about it. They said they were gonna look into it. Knowing them, they probably forgot though. So I'm gonna re-mention it to them. I might go down there, shoot down there, and see what the dealie is, yo. You feel me? Yes, sir. So I can have that thing looking like the top of the loop type Forgiatos, but you know what I'm saying, in Mercedes. I think, me personally, I think Forgiatos probably sponsors Mercedes or something, man, because they do kind of look like some Forgiatos, kind of put you in the mind of that. Yes, sir. But without further ado, though, y'all know how I do it, man. Let's see how I do it. Pop. You know what to do. Give me that cold start, baby. Yes, sir. Let's get it. Let's go. All right, y'all. About to start this bowling here. Let's see here. Yes, sir. Got the our team over here on this side.
The right side.
You know what I'm saying? On the right side. Got a little cousin Ontario right there. You know what I'm saying? Got big bro Vito right there. Got big bro Jay Prince. Letting that thing rip. Yeah, sir.
Man, look at that. Before the first frame, huh? Miracles do happen.
Then got other bro Banks right there. You know what I'm saying? Go get this thing going here on and popping. Oh! He's gonna be mad at that one when he looks at it.
Okay.
Y'all see, I'm the third bowler up there. Yeah, so.
Here you go. Banks taking this up to the
Hey, look here, y'all. When I throw this strike, I'm gonna step to the side so y'all can see that thing. What? Put them together. Lean in at the table. Make sure that thing's still recording, you feel? Yeah, so it's still in.
Hey, nobody. As you can see, we got two splits.
Which one's gonna make it?
That thing a little too slow. On the first ball? Oh my God! What?
Steve, come on with that. You know that.
He probably was like, "Stop it!" Yeah, for a long time. I know he did.
Everybody come up.
I know I threw mine too slow. It felt good. All of a sudden I said, "Uh-oh, it's moving."
But then they ain't got the fucking motor oil out that bitch.
He over there doing the track walk. Got that mobile one. You got that mobile one on the On the floor.
That motherfucker moving.
Oh, it moved. That's why you got that split. That's why it moved
I threw it slow. It had to move. Like if I throw it slow, it ain't moving.
That's what you're saying, yeah. I'm throwing mine slow too.
Yeah.
That's just like Friday. That's crazy. I didn't think that shit was gonna be here. It's still here. Oh, good stuff, Jay Brink. What do you need to take? I'm gonna give y'all one more frame of it. I'm gonna pause this thing. Nah, big bro. I don't even think about it. Dude, you can't throw it slow like that on this side. Oh yeah, your turn.
He ready to throw that damn ball.
My fault.
That was like he bowling for you.
You sitting back here left.
Yeah, he said.
I didn't think about it.
That's what we do.
Well, since you got that practice though, you know what you need to do.
Yep.
We know what you're about.
Right?
They do. They get it into my brackets. No, I ain't. It's my first league in the big leagues. Finally got my invitation. Double better on Sunday night. It's a mixed league. It's just more fun. We have more fun. We drink. Tonight, everybody's so serious. Everybody's bragging rights. I just want to have fun. That's why I come. I mean, they want some things for that.
What you need to do now? Hey, in case y'all just seen, man, he double bowled out there. He bowled in my in my spot.
Hey, y'all, it's still there.
Man, I'm all over the place.
So now you know what he need to do. Oh, wiggle, 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 wiggle. God, y'all.
Good look, baby. You saw that,
Hey, y'all, we can't afford to lose the game, man. We can't afford to lose. Yes, sir, Britt. Hey, they hit like a hammer. That's what you call getting robbed right there, man. V White. Y'all see it. V White got robbed though. They got this though. Hey man, all right. I'm gonna pause and be back. Give y'all the end game. I took a picture. I didn't want to take no picture. Hey man, we ain't doing our best. We doing a little something, but we ain't doing our best. Yes, sir. Okay, Terry, yo. That's our ankle bowler right there. Call him V White, that's the ankle bowler. Okay, Mike. Oh! Hey man, splits killed me. Bam. Look at that. 161. God dog it. See the other guys up top though, 206, 200. They tried to get up over there. Hey, yo, that's the end result right there, man. My squadron. You know what I'm saying? That's why we got that man at the last motor right there. That VE, y'all see that? That VE? Yeah, sir. That's a light game for him, though. But we won, though. We won that one. That's the first game. Y'all see the one up there at the top left corner? That's for the first game, man. It was rough, though. Yes, sir. Hey, man. Be sure to like, subscribe, and comment, man. Let me know if y'all want to see some more of this content right here, man. Hey, this JP Chevy, man. Squad. Hey, I'm out, yo. I'm out.